Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys your Infinix phone guys. You have the settings of and how can you off it. So guys, we call it guys smart panel setting, and friends you have guys the setting, and guys you don't want to use, friends you want to off. So friends, how can you off guys your phone smart panel setting? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and guys now let's see how can we off guys the setting smart panel setting guys. We will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it, and friends, you can see this tab setting in your phone. Friends, click on guys phone special function. Guys, click on smart panel, and friends, you can see smart panel is on. So as you don't want to use, you can off from here. After guys, you can do like that, guys. Your smart panel will not work. So like that, guys, we can off guys smart panel setting. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope friends you understood how to off smart panel in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye, friends. Thanks for watching the video, guys.